In this video, we are going to see how we can open the YouTube Studio if you want to manage or optimize your content in a better way. YouTube Studio is the way you manage all of your videos. So first of all, I assume that you already have a channel. If you do, you click on this profile icon, or even if you don't, you click on this and click on the YouTube Studio. If you don't have a channel, it will immediately ask you to write a channel name and so on. And after that, you should be able to see this screen where you have the dashboard, you have the content and all of that stuff. So from here, you can manage your content, you can edit that, you can edit the details, you can see the analytics of that video, you can view it on YouTube, you can create the shareable links, you can set the visibility, and you can edit multiple videos, like you can delete many, or you can see any of the channel analytics. Also, you can do all the settings about it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.